Keep track of all your movies and series by using the movie bucket list. The movie bucket list has a lot of benefits. Let's take a look at the movie gallery. Here we see an overview of all the movies we put in the database already. The properties film name, duration and the progress of the movie are already showed here, but you can also click on the three dots. Click on properties and add or remove something. Let's add, for example, the IMDb rating. As you can see, it's showed now on all the movies. When you click on a particular movie, you can see all the data of it. When we go back to the dashboard and click on database, we can see where all the data is filled in. It starts with movie name and it's followed up by release year, movie summary, genre, IMDb rating, director, duration, timestamp, last watched, when to watch, my rating, where to watch, progress and comments of the movie, and friends. Always before I watch a movie, I check the IMDb rating, because if this rating is too low, it's not worth my time. I sorted the database from the highest IMDb rating to the lowest. Another feature of the database is timestamp. Sometimes the application doesn't keep track of your progress in time. This can have different reasons. From now on, just put your progress in the timestamp bar and you know where to restart a movie or series. Whenever you watch a series, just put an S for season and put an E for episode, so you can easily keep track. Last watched speaks for itself. Whenever you keep this updated, it can come in handy a few weeks later if you see these dates again. The next thing is when to watch. When to watch is connected to the upcoming movie nights calendar. When we scroll down, we can see a calendar with the upcoming movie nights. The next subject is my rating. When you click in an empty space, you can give the movie a rating after watching it. As you can see, you can give it 1 to 5 stars. This can come in handy whenever you want to watch a movie again or want to give recommendations to friends. This rating is connected to the watched movies heading, which is sorted by highest rating to lowest rating. The next subject is the progress of the movie. Whenever you start a movie, you can change it from to watch in watching. And whenever you finish the movie, you change it from watching in watched. We also connected this progress bar to this bar. Before this we watched 6 movies, but now it should have changed into 7. So we click on the refresh bar and as you can see it changes to 7. The next subject is comments of movie. Whenever you want to add some notes to the movie, you can do it here. The last thing we added to the database is friend. This is added to the database to give extra information on when to watch. Whenever you plan to watch a film with someone else, you can go to the calendar and see the name of the person you're going to watch the movie with. So we filled in George here, and when we go to the calendar, you can see it's added to the movie. Whenever you want to add a movie or series to the database, simply click on New and fill in all the info you want. We also added some trackers to the database. Here you see an overview of all the ratings of the movies, and here you see the progress of all the movies you watched. Don't forget to use refresh after you make changes to the database. Thank you for choosing Notion Shark and have fun watching the movies.